Hey, family and friends, welcome back to day 3 of my homemade mixes and dressings, and maybe a couple of dips. Haven't decided on that one yet, but probably. Anyway, today is taco seasoning. If you need a taco seasoning packet, you don't have time to run to the store, but you still need one. So let's make it. It's super easy, really quick, and you'll be surprised that you probably already have all the ingredients in your pantry. So we want 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And I have to do it that way because I can't get it to fit in the bottle. Okay, and then we want 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We would normally put 1 teaspoon of onion powder in here, but I don't have it. So if you have it, add it, and I will have it down in with the rest of the recipe in the description. My goodness, I can't talk. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Okay, and then we're going to move on to half a teaspoon of some dried oregano. Half a teaspoon of paprika, which is all I got left in there. Then we want 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And about 1/8 of some red pepper flakes if you like just a little bit of spice. It's not hardly much, but just a little. Okay, now let's give this a little mixy mix. That's it. That's all the ingredients. That's all it takes. Now, this is equal to 1 packet. 2 to 2.5 tablespoons is equal to 1 packet. But this should make 1 packet. So that's equal to 1 pound of ground beef or whatever you want to use it on. Okay, just keep it in an airtight container. Just make sure, we mixed it good. But it's good for up to 6 months. So I'm going to put some tape on it saying taco seasoning and today's date, so I know that it's good for 6 months, although I'm going to be using it in the next couple days. But anyway, that is the end of our recipe. Like I said, short and sweet. And if you're enjoying our channel, please give us a like. Give me a comment and tell me hello. Tell me what you'd like to see me do next. Share it with your friends and your family. Don't forget to turn on your notifications bell so you don't miss a video. And make sure you come back for day 4 of our series. And we'll see you soon. Thank you.